2024 Kia Sportage. With less than 37,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?